Get ready for an adrenaline-packed ride as we dive into the world of dangerous idiots, fastest trucks, and heavy equipment failures. In this extreme oversized truck transport adventure, we'll witness jaw-dropping moments where speed meets heavy machinery and disaster strikes when things go horribly wrong. Buckle up for a thrilling, high-octane journey through the wildest transport challenges on the road. The Barlage Company's transport of two CO2 cylinders from Hasselona to Durban was fraught with problems right from the start. Initially, the trip attracted attention when the old trees along the roadside in the city of Sugel were significantly cut down. This surprised many residents and passers-by, especially since tree trimming does not seem to be a common practice in the area. However, the real problem came when one of the CO2 cylinders overturned just after passing the Sogel point. The cylinder fell over and landed in the field next to the road, creating a disturbing scene. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. However, the incident made the transport a topic of public concern and raised the issues surrounding the transport of dangerous goods on public roads. I recently watched an impressive sight as the rotor from a generator at Callaway Nuclear Plant was sent out for refurbishment. The entire vehicle weighed over 700,000 pounds and was moved with one truck pulling and another pushing. With 108 tires on the ground, the convoy was an incredible sight. When it reached Highway 19 in Montgomery County and needed to turn north, the skillful maneuvering was jaw-dropping. Every axle of the trailer was steered to make the sharp turn. It was truly a spectacle to witness. The driver of this truck always plans his routes in advance, but when he encounters unexpected events like this Roman bridge, which prohibits vehicles weighing more than 6 tons, the entire convoy weighs more than 40 tons, he has to be prepared to face complex situations in order to reach the final destination. In this case, this small road is the only option to get to the construction site, which is why he had to make some delicate maneuvers that were not planned in advance. Feldman Penukron plus Transport AG undertook a challenging transport project to move a Senebogen 680 excavator measuring 25.50 meters long, 3.40 meters wide, and 4.10 meters high. The total weight of the equipment was 102 tons, requiring a dedicated engineering team and transport vehicles. The transport required meticulous planning and careful preparation to ensure the machine reached its required location safely and efficiently. He drove through a red light. If it weren't for the curb he jumped on, his car would have probably flipped over. I managed to stop in time, and the drivers from the opposite direction also noticed him at the last moment. The pedestrians managed to run away, and the car parked on the right miraculously escaped damage. It all happened so quickly, but thanks to luck and attentiveness, everyone remained safe.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Who said traffic was easy? Oh my God, it's lucky the glass-piercing rock didn't hit them. Oh, it looks like he fell asleep while driving. Oh my God, what happened to the car? The situations on the road made me realize that traffic safety is extremely important. We need to obey the laws and be alert to protect ourselves and others around us.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
The moment two trains collided head-on in the southern Indian city of Hyderabad, injuring at least 16 people, including a train driver. The driver was trapped in the train and was rescued after a 6-hour struggle. The collision caused 6 coaches of a local train and 3 coaches of the Hundrey Express to derail. A Mexican Navy helicopter carrying 20 people was forced to make an emergency landing due to technical problems while traveling to areas affected by Hurricane Grace. While airborne, the helicopter began to lose altitude uncontrollably and began spinning, causing panic among the passengers on board. Fortunately, despite the dangerous situation, only 4 people were injured. This is a remarkable event because despite the tense situation, the crew's efforts and preparedness helped to limit the damage. The injured are currently receiving medical attention, and their condition is not considered life-threatening. We are watching a stunt they did for the German TV show ZDF. The event is full of rock and roll style with energetic, daring performances and no shortage of surprises. Every moment is filled with excitement and suspense, creating an extremely lively and impressive atmosphere.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
This situation is a warning to those who are negligent when participating in traffic, reminding everyone to always pay attention and obey the laws to ensure safety for themselves and the community. I had the chance to see Lefebvre and Sons in action as they moved Cretex's largest beam, a massive 183 feet long, weighing 226,000 pounds and standing 96 inches tall. The operation was a sight to behold, with precision and power on full display as they navigated such a massive load. Truly impressive. An 18-wheeler caught fire on Highway 185 in Greenville. The driver quickly pulled over and got out safely. Firefighters quickly arrived on the scene to extinguish the fire. Initial damage was determined to be the entire trailer of the vehicle was burned. Police are currently investigating the cause of the fire to clarify the incident. The incident attracted attention and caused traffic to be disrupted for a period of time.
Morning, Jay.
In Leningrad, Russia, a container truck trying to run a red light crashed into a moving car, then crashed into another car waiting at a red light, causing severe damage to all three vehicles. A serious accident occurred on the M1 at Bindley when a blue Ford Falcon crashed into the back of a white pickup. Luckily, no one was injured. The lorry driver was driving brilliantly. Hopefully, the convulsions on the green cars are a bit worse. It was a stupid mistake by the driver of the blue car anyway. I'd really like to know what he was thinking. Liebherr, a well-known brand in the construction industry, has just completed the assembly of a pedestrian bridge in Sierre, Switzerland. The bridge was built with high-quality steel components, using Liebherr's modern technology to ensure safety and long-term sustainability. The process of transporting the bridge components to the construction site encountered many challenges, but thanks to the professional team and advanced transportation equipment, the bridge components were delivered on time and to the required location. The bridge not only helps connect important areas of the city, but is also an architectural highlight, contributing to improving the quality of life for local people. Transporting heavy equipment across sand dunes is difficult due to the unstable and variable terrain. The soft sand makes it easy for vehicles to sink, which slows down progress and wastes time. Additionally, maintaining stability of the equipment while moving over the unstable surface is a major challenge, requiring special engineering measures. Watch Mammoet perform an impressive transport operation using the Nootboom Mega Windmill Transporter to move a giant windmill tower block. This heavy-duty transporter is specifically designed to handle oversized and heavy loads, such as windmill components, with ease and precision. The windmill tower block, a key component of wind energy infrastructure, is carefully loaded and transported safely, demonstrating Mammoet's expertise in managing complex logistics. The Nootboom Mega Windmill Transporter, with its exceptional maneuverability and robust engineering, ensures that the windmill tower is delivered safely and efficiently to its destination, even in challenging environments. A truly impressive transport took place recently through Brighton, when two giant transformers were transported. Each weighed 178 tons, a figure that would make anyone gasp in awe. Not only were they enormous, but each train carrying them was 70 meters long, making every street and corner seem to shrink. It was a display of power and precision, with every detail having to be carefully calculated for everything to run smoothly. Trips like this are something to behold. Transporting wind power equipment to the white sandfields that stretch out under the blazing sun and howling winds is a challenging yet fascinating job. Trucks carrying wind turbine components, from long blades to large turbine bodies, have to travel long distances, endure strong winds and heat radiation from the sun. However, the presence of these white sandfields highlights the project's mission: to exploit the abundant wind energy to create clean electricity. Besides the challenges of transportation, the image of wind turbines starting to stretch out in the vast space, blending with wild nature, creating a scene that is both majestic and full of hope for a sustainable future. Van der Vlist carried out a heavy-duty transport using a Mayen 41.540 TGX in combination with a Schorle Tiefbett system to transport a Vestas Phi 90 wind turbine housing. The transport involved navigating difficult routes, and one of the key points on the journey was the autonomous entry into the Rostov-on-Don West Car Park. The coordination between the transport vehicles and the precision of the controls ensured that the transport was carried out safely and efficiently. This was a task that required careful preparation and flexible operation, in line with the special requirements of transporting large wind turbine components. A convoy of scales transporting giant trailers has arrived at the General Electric site. The presence of these bulky trailers, with their impressive dimensions, not only attracts attention, but also reflects the scale and importance of the large industrial project they are serving. These vehicles are specially designed to transport heavy and bulky equipment, requiring careful preparation and perfect coordination between transport units, ensuring safe movement through narrow roads and crowded areas. This is a testament to the complexity of logistics, sophistication, and professionalism. Recently, I had the chance to witness the transport of a massive 600,000+ pound transformer on a 500-ton high-frame trailer owned and operated by Omega Morgan IRH. The scale of the operation was staggering. 7 trucks were needed to push and pull the load during its 97-mile journey. The entire convoy, stretching 377 feet long, 26 feet wide, 20 feet at the tires, and 18 feet 6 inches tall, weighed approximately 1.5 million pounds. Seeing this giant in person was nothing short of awe-inspiring. So we have been on an adventurous ride with huge trucks, daring stunts, and unbelievable accidents. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so we can bring you more exciting videos. Join us on our next thrilling ride. Copyright disclaimer. TurboTalk does not fully own the materials compiled in this video. The materials belong to the individuals or organizations that rightfully own them and should be respected. We use them under the provisions of the copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Fair use is permitted for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. This statement is crucial to maintain transparency and respect for copyright. It is necessary to recognize the importance of balancing the freedom of expression of creators with the protection of copyright holders' rights. We believe in fostering an environment where both can coexist harmoniously, allowing ideas and creativity to flow freely. It is important to ensure that this video complies with YouTube's community guidelines in terms of service, including respecting copyright laws and promoting original content. We strive to provide high-quality content that respects the rights of content creators and contributes positively to the YouTube community. Although our team could not contact the owner of the YouTube channel No Road Baby, we always respect intellectual property rights and copyrights. We would like to quote in the description so that the audience can recognize and leave a link to the owner's channel below. Sincerely, thank you. For any commercial, general, or copyright-related inquiries, please contact us at thiol.synoviet.vm@gmail.com.